What's up, everyone? It's Bill from Holomodels RC. I've got my 3D printed A4 Skyhawk here. This thing's got about 30 flights on it. It's a little beat up, as you can see. I put some band-aids on it to fix it. I had a couple crashes, landed on top of a building. It's got a canopy that's spring-loaded with the rubber band. I've got a 1500 4S battery in there right now, my tracking device, Lemon RX receiver. I've got flat mixing built into this thing. It seems to help it slow down for landing. So I'm in the process of completely redesigning this airplane. I've almost got the airframe done. It's much more scale, and it's going to print a lot better, and it's going to look a lot better. This one I made from a model that I had downloaded online and made it to print in vase mode. This was the first model that I've made, and I made it a couple years ago. I've come a long way in the slicer and in my 3D program FreeCAD. So the new one is going to be much better. This has got a 50mm EDF in it. All right. It flies really well, actually. I printed this out of active foaming lightweight PLA. Now, if you print it out of pre-foamed, it's a little hard to hand launch. You really got to throw it hard. So the active foaming works a lot better. It's about 300 grams lighter. The pre-foam came in about 950, and this one I think is like 670 or something like that. I'd have to look at the specs. You can see I'm missing part of a wing there. Like I said, this airframe's got about 30 flights on it, including hitting the top of that building there and then sticking straight into the ground. I think the A4 is a perfect candidate for belly landing because not a lot hits the ground on the bottom. It kind of just slides right on the grass. The stab's not real low or anything in the back. Now the new one I am designing, it will print in vase mode without retractions, and I'm going to use a 0.6 nozzle this time. Put my flaps on. I got my flaps at about 20%. That's full flaps. The flaps do help slow it down for landing, which is a big deal with 3D printed airplanes. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please hit the subscribe or like button. I'll leave a link in the description if you click on more where you can find this airframe. And if you want, subscribe so when the new one comes out that'll be completely round and parametric, you'll get a notification. So full flaps. Trying to come up in the grass here. Yeah, it's alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Bill from Holomodels RC. Please hit the like button or subscribe, and I will talk at you next time.